There's something most men over 50 never talk about. Not because they're ashamed of it, but because they're too used to it. That slow fade. Not just in energy, but in presence. The feeling that you're not quite as sharp, not as grounded, not as connected to your own body. It's not weakness, it's a signal. And it's when you don't have to ignore anymore. See, your body isn't just aging. It's adapting, rewriting its operating system. The rules change after 50. What used to come easily, focus, drive, strong circulation, morning energy, now needs attention. Not more effort, not punishment, just smarter support. And tonight, I want to give you one quiet, powerful ritual that can help reverse the sluggishness and bring that inner charge back. I'm Dr. Samuel Boyd, and after more than a decade of working with men in their 50s, 60s, and beyond, I've learned that aging gracefully has very little to do with willpower and everything to do with rhythm. Most men don't need more discipline. They need better signals. And this drink? This is one of the clearest signals you can give your body before sleep. Here's what's interesting. The problem isn't always a lack of testosterone or willpower. It's deeper. It starts with how your blood moves. Literally, your vitality, your libido, your confidence are all driven by how efficiently your blood delivers nutrients, oxygen, and hormones through your body. When that system weakens, everything else follows. Fix your circulation, and a lot starts to shift. And when is the best time to support that system? Not in the morning, not after a workout, but before bed, because that's when your body rebuilds. Quietly, consistently, but only if you create the right conditions, the right internal environment. You don't need more hours of sleep. You need better sleep chemistry. And a drink can be the spark that starts that entire healing engine. Now, I'm not talking about a supplement or some internet-famous miracle tonic. I'm talking about a simple homemade blend made with real ingredients that has the potential to help support healthy blood flow, hormonal balance, and muscle repair during the night. It's easy to prepare, easy to commit to, and incredibly underrated. It's backed by real science and used by smart men who age on their own terms. So what's in a blend? A base of warm water, a small shot of pure pomegranate juice, and a slice of raw ginger. That's it. Sounds too easy? That's what most men think, until they try it for 7 days and start noticing subtle but powerful differences. Deeper sleep, fewer nighttime bathroom trips, a strong morning pulse in the body, the feeling of being plugged back in. Here's how it works. Pomegranate juice contains natural compounds that act like tuning fluid for your arteries. They help maintain the flexibility of the vessel walls, supporting better flow in areas that matter. Yes, including the pelvic region. Think of it as oiling the hinges of a rusted door. Ginger, on the other hand, plays the role of an activator. It helps your body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that helps widen blood vessels and stimulate flow without raising your heart rate. And the warmth? It helps your digestive system absorb both of these ingredients quickly, calming the nervous system and prepping the body for restorative sleep. But this isn't just about ingredients. It's about intention. The truth is, most men are in reaction mode. They wait until things break before they act. But a man who takes 5 minutes before bed to prepare something for his body, he's not reacting. He's leading. He's reminding his system that repair is a priority. And that mindset, that ownership, is what makes the difference. I've seen men who are exhausted, restless, even defeated, build themselves back through this kind of care. Not because this drink is magic, but because it fits into a deeper shift, a lifestyle that respects recovery. And if you pair this drink with just 10 minutes of quiet movement, like a stretch, a slow walk, or deep breathing, your results multiply. Remember, the body is always listening. Every small habit is a signal. Junk food at 10 p.m.? That tells your body to fight. Warm water, pomegranate, ginger? That tells your body to heal. And over time, that message becomes your biology. Your sleep improves. Your blood flow sharpens. Your libido slowly reawakens. Not with force, but with flow. That's what smart aging feels like. The best part? You don't need perfect discipline. Just consistency. You don't have to give up coffee, change your diet, or buy expensive gadgets. Just commit to a 3-ingredient drink before bed. Make it your anchor. You'll be surprised how this one shift can lead to better mornings, more energy, and yes, even better connection with your partner. And if you're wondering whether this can help you, my answer is simple. Try it. Nothing changes unless you do. It's not a prescription. It's not a cure. It's a ritual, a chance to give back to the body that's carried you for decades. Not because you're chasing youth, but because you're choosing strength, clarity, and presence for the chapter you're in now. This drink won't turn you into a different man, but it might bring you back to the man you were, just steadier, wiser, and more in tune with his power. So tonight, make it. Take 5 minutes. Turn off the noise. Slice the ginger. Pour the juice. Warm the water. And sip it slowly. That's where it starts, not with noise, but with stillness. You've worked hard your whole life. You've built things, endured setbacks, carried others. Now it's time to carry yourself forward. Not by force, but by choosing care, choosing rhythm, choosing one habit that serves you instead of drains you. Let this drink be your entry point. Let it remind you that strength never really leaves. It just waits for you to claim it again. So if you're ready, here's what to do. Warm 1 cup of water, not boiling. Add 2 to 3 ounces of unsweetened pomegranate juice. Slice a thin piece of fresh ginger root and drop it in. Stir gently. Let it sit for a minute. Then drink it slowly, about 30 minutes before bed. Do this for 7 nights and watch what happens. You might start dreaming again. You might wake up more refreshed. You might notice a subtle charge in the lower half of your body that hasn't been there in months. And maybe, just maybe, you'll realize that your best years didn't pass you by. They've just been waiting for you to show up. You're not just aging. You're evolving. And every great evolution begins with a choice. Make this one yours. If this message resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share this with a brother, a father, or a friend who could use a simple way to feel strong again. And if you're ready to take full control of your energy, your sleep, and your vitality, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and join the men rebuilding their power one night at a time. Your next chapter starts tonight.